The fall of the USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, was a turning point in history. The Soviet Union was founded on December 30th, 1922. It had a population of 290 million and was 1/6 of the Earth's surface, covering 8.65 million miles squared. The collapse of the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics in 1991 under Mikhail Gorbachev's government changed the course of history in the whole world forever. USSR fell apart due to many internal and foreign issues on December 25th, 1991. The Soviet Union was struggling with economic stagnation, political unrest, corruption, and military issues. The collapse created 15 new independent republics, united East and West Germany, made the United States of America a singular superpower of the world, and created panic in Europe. The dissolution of the USSR was a huge turning point in history, since it had many impacts all around the world. The Soviet Union was struggling with economic stagnation. The Soviet economy used much of its resources in maintaining nuclear and military arsenals. The Soviet economy concentrated on the development of its satellite states in Eastern Europe. This led to a huge economic burden on people to be coped up with. From 1979 to 1989, many Soviet troops were deployed in Afghanistan. This created military issues. In 1990, Mikhail Gorbachev, the then president of the Soviet Union, made the decision to have multi-party elections and have democratization in the USSR. He was first elected in 1985 with revolutionary ideas for the USSR. He came up with the Perestroika, Reconstruction, and Glasnost openness eras in 1985 to 1986 to make the Soviet economy more efficient. Perestroika was an era in which Gorbachev wanted to increase economic growth while increasing capital investment. He created the Glasnost era to open up the political systems, essentially democratizing it. His ideas and goals were indirectly influenced by President Ronald Reagan's Strategic Defense Initiative, SDI, commonly known as the Star Wars program. The Cold War was also ending after about 50 years. The United States and the Soviet Union had turned into nations with world powers. This caused competition between the two. Following the defeat of the Axis powers, an ideological and political rivalry between the United States and the USSR began. His acts destabilized the communist control and played a vital role in the fall of the USSR. On December 25th, Mikhail Gorbachev officially resigned as the last president of the Soviet Union.
Да, я его просто подпишу, да и все. Да, я его просто подпишу, да и все.
President Gorbachev has resigned. The last president of the Soviet Union went on television to tell his people he had no regrets about the policies he had pursued and he would support the new Commonwealth.
С тревогой, но и с надеждой. С верой в вас, в вашу мудрость и силу духа. Мы наследники великой цивилизации. И сейчас от всех и каждого зависит, чтобы она возродилась к новой, современной и достойной жизни.
The Soviet hammer and sickle flag lowered for the last time over the Kremlin and was replaced by the Russian flag. On December 26, 1991, the Soviet Union was formally dissolved as a Soviet state and subject of international long. As a result of the USSR's fall, 15 constituent republics gained full independence. Armenia, Belarus, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan, Estonia, Lithuania, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Moldova, Russia, Ukraine, Georgia, Latvia, and Tajikistan. 11 of the former Soviet republics had established the Commonwealth of Independent States, CIS, effectively dismembering the USSR only 4 days before the official collapse. The fall of the Soviet Union had many effects on the world as a whole, particularly among its former Soviet nations. Azerbaijan and Kazakhstan started exporting oil and natural gas, which helped them but enabled corruption. Lithuania and Latvia turned to the West and they started adopting Western ideas. Armenia and Tajikistan have struggled after the collapse, and many citizens remain in poverty. The United States of America gained more power after the fall of the Soviet Union, eventually becoming a singular world power. After the dissolution of the Soviet Union, the United States was the only true superpower left. The United States government was free from the constraints imposed by the existence of any threat from a powerful rival. East and West Germany united as the Berlin Wall collapsed due to the Soviet Union's fall. The decision to loosen the Soviet yoke on the countries of Eastern Europe created an independent, democratic environment. This led to the collapse of the Berlin Wall and then the overthrow of communist rule throughout Eastern Europe, which was known as the Iron Curtain. Europe also came into panic about economic systems and trade relations from the collapse of the Soviet Union. Many Eastern European countries also had increased crime rates and corruption within the Russian government. With the Soviet government's collapse, the Russian mafia stepped in to fill in the power void. Mikhail Gorbachev's government and his decisions were one of the main reasons for the collapse of the Soviet Union. His wrong policies for the Soviet Union changed the whole world forever. 15 new independent republics were created, East and West Germany united. An economic panic happened in Europe, and the United States of America became a unipower. This collapse resulted in the end of a world superpower, the Union of Soviet Socialist Republics, the USSR.